Good morning. This is the Great Basin prescribed fire briefing for Friday, February 23rd. Not much project activity, just a little bit here in central Utah and central Nevada. It has been moderately wet across northern and western areas. We do see still the drier pockets down into parts of southeast Utah. Otherwise, wetter areas. Very dry up in the Pacific Northwest and Northern Rockies. That's a little disconcerting as we go into late winter. We'll see their snowpack here very low getting into our central Idaho mountains, but it picks up quite a bit as you head further south, above normal across much of Utah, Nevada, and approaching normal across the Sierra after some very dry periods early in the winter. Here's our 100-hour fuels, quite moist in all areas except those eastern Utah areas which haven't been quite as wet. Now we have high pressure building in behind the most recent storm system, another powerful storm system waiting in the wings, another one diving down out of the Gulf of Alaska to combine with it. We see it this afternoon. There's that one storm system, there's the other. They will collide late this weekend, early next week to produce a big storm system. We'll talk about it. Looks like air quality will start getting a little worse in some areas where we see the reds as high pressure builds in. Humidity is drying out, upper teens down in the south, otherwise in the 30s and 40s. Winds overall light, as well as on the transport level, a little breezy in the south. Good mixing heights in a lot of areas except some of the deeper inversions where you see the blues. Tomorrow, very similar. Storm system still sitting out there. Air quality getting a little bit worse and spreading further south. Similar humidity and wind levels pretty light. Same at the transport level. Now on Sunday, again, there's one storm system. There's a strong cold front approaching. We'll start to see air quality improving a little bit. Humidity levels starting to come up in the north ahead of that storm system. The winds at the surface, notice they are increasing ahead of that storm, especially on the transport level. 3-day precipitation, there's the leading edge of that precipitation, but it is later. The map changes drastically on Monday. That one storm system pushes into the Pacific Northwest. The Pacific one further south combines with it. Air quality improves dramatically, and then a big storm system across much of the central and eastern Great Basin on Tuesday, and low snow levels. So snow's down to about 4,000 feet in a lot of areas. Lingering moisture Wednesday. Another storm system taking shape in northern areas on Thursday. So an active weather pattern. This is some of the precipitation days 4 and 5, days 6 and 7. This is the 7-day total overall. And looking at the 8 to 14-day outlook, continued cooler than normal and wetter than normal. This concludes our briefing. Have a great day.